Hey makers, this is Erica from Milestone Decal and today I want to talk to you about layering overglaze decals. In this case, we've layered digital decals on the bottom with a real 23 karat gold luster decal on top. We started the process with a clear or white glazed ceramic piece. Then we applied a digital overglaze decal and fired to cone 017. You could see the digital decal not only adds beautiful color but also a subtle texture to the surface. We then cut and apply our 23 karat gold overglaze decal using the water slide decal application process. You can see here how the gold becomes transformed during firing, with the underlying digital decal adding a subtle texture under the very fine gold luster. The surface texture of the digital decal makes the gold look faceted and burnished. In addition to our wide selection of gold luster decals, we also have platinum luster decals. Thanks for watching today, everybody. Don't forget to click subscribe and visit our website to learn more. Happy decaling, makers!